Well, we're back out again. After the big strut video, we just couldn't resist. We were going to wait till the weekend, but I looked at the weather and saw it was going to be 75 today.
It's 72, I believe.
72. So, I don't know. I spent all day editing and put that video up. Hope you're all enjoying it. After a whole day of watching turkey strut on my on my computer, I'm like, I gotta go back out. You have no idea who's gonna shoot this bird, or if we're even gonna find a bird. As much as it may look like we're in the same spot, we're not. So, either way, beautiful mountain sunrise. Up in the middle of nowhere. Again. Gorgeous. Any predictions?
Gobble, gobble, boom.
Gobble, gobble, boom.
There you go. I'm hoping. If not, at least we're checking out more stuff.
Well, I'd just like to say thank you to all those who worked so hard to get Washington to open its brain and pull turkey season back out for all of us.
Much appreciated. Much appreciated.
No, Ben and a lot of other people put a lot of effort into it, and so we're very thankful. The next week we'll be out, and it's going to be a tall order to fill. I don't know how many tags we're going to try to put down.
16.
We've got about 16 tags to put down
in 3 weeks.
In 3 weeks. Sure would have been nice if they opened the season a little longer, but oh well. Beggars can't be choosers, even though we paid to do it. I don't like to call myself a beggar. Anyway, what a beautiful morning. It is stunning. Sunrise coming up. It's going to be gorgeous. Birds ought to be gobbling if we find any. More to come.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Yeah.
Good job. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Yeah. Check that out.
Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
So it is.
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
High five. Yeah. Gorgeous. Yeah, that's one not too far. Yeah, I shot at 2 birds. Well, shot 1 at the same time.
Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun rises, when the sun.
Fingers on the trigger and you got all that going on. Bump on that one, bro. There's a smile. The turkey hunter is born. Well, we're walking, and all we can hear is turkeys gobbling their heads off. So obviously we picked a good way to go. It's way out there somewhere in that lower ridge. We got quite a ways to get down. Don't think we're going to make fly down, but we're getting there. Long and winding road. I think I hear at least 5 different toms. A couple young ones, a couple really nice ones. What time is it, do you think?
Oh, 5.
5 o'clock? Can't be 5 o'clock yet. No. We got here pretty fast. Turkeys gobbling everywhere. It's going to be a good day. It'll be a good day. I had to stop for a photograph. I mean, this turkey's gobbling like crazy. We'll get there. But I gotta get a picture. This is just gorgeous. Come on. You're not.
Think? Couple birds over there?
Yeah. Well, we got up above them. There's no way down into them without getting busted. A couple really nice birds, a couple jakes, about at least 5 or 6 different toms, a couple more in the distance. No setup in the open area where the sun's going to hit us. More to come. See what we can figure out. So thick and heavy. You're on the other side of it. There's one elk trail down to him. Wide open, no cover. Sounds promising. I'd like to walk up more than I do down. Oh, and got back behind my left shoulder too. There is something over there. Well, we thought we had a big one. Jake did us in.
He's still right there.
Yeah. When they double gobbled together, it sounded good.
Well, and that one was doing a Jake yelp.
Yeah.
So
I
that's
swear though, they sounded further apart. Like one had a good gobble that was further away.
Yeah, and at one point, I thought I heard him over here and then one over here.
Yeah. It could still be another one with hens over there. I don't know. They're just meandering off.
Yeah, there is a hen. That Tom wasn't worried about leaving her.
We heard a great braid over our left shoulder. We have no see how far out he is. But you know, we say, you know, if you can hear him, he's not that far. If he gobbles again, if he's down in that piece of property that we were looking into. Let's see what happens next. We're moving on. Well, we got a bird talking. Guy's trying to figure out his best setup. He's way up there, but he's been yakking. He's gobbled 7 times since I made a call. He's really close. He's right up there around the corner somewhere. I'll get it dead on. Just get cozy. His last gobble was very close. You want me to put my knee under your elbow? No. Okay. Maybe he will come off the road. That's the other ones. Yeah, that's right. That's over on the road where we were. Like the other corner where we were calling from this one. That's quite a ways over there. It's just like going across.
Should we move? Cut the distance.
Well, if he's coming, he's coming. I mean, we can't get around that canyon without being seen. It's wide open. Oh. Oh.
He looked like a young bird. Oh well.
Huh?
He was a youngin'.
You think so?
Yeah. Unless his beard was super wet.
I don't know. I couldn't see nothing but his head, and he looked
He pegged us instantly.
Oh, yeah. No,
Dang it.
there was nowhere to go. Gosh.
Well, he's not big.
Good job.
Thank you, Lord.
He ain't that young.
He just gave me just enough time.
Just enough.
I mean, right when I turned, he was turning. He was going.
Yep, I know. He gave the putt. Oh, good shot. It's still a good shot. He walked a long way to get here. He was the one on the far side gobbling and kept coming.
Well, that's why he couldn't see him.
I know. He got right there and he saw us first. He come up that bank.
You see where he walked up?
Yeah.
If he would have came up the way he was supposed to, but that
that
would be turkey hunting. Or you know what? You know what's even worse? If we wouldn't have moved those.
If we wouldn't have moved the decoys at the last second. But I thought they were going to come up the lower road. His last gobble was down here. That's a fine bird. Those are 3/4 at least, if not more.
Wish he would have gobbled a little bit, but
I know. Coming in quiet like that.
That's another one, yeah. Yeah, those decoys.
Dang it.
Yeah, look right here. He might have been able to see it right through there, but
he barely. Nah, he didn't even get a chance.
He did see us all.
Yeah, well, there's one thing right in front of the log. Yep. We were sitting right back at that log right there. We thought he was going to come up the road over here and peg the deeks.
Oh, John.
I told you.
They're inchers, baby.
Oh, I told you. I said I heard the voice coming on the other side of the mountain. He was coming slowly.
Those are inchers.
That's the one that got way over there.
Really?
He kept coming. Yeah, he was.
I'm glad I
so
took the
far,
shot.
He was on the far point, dude. He was way over there, Kyle. Way over there. When I saw him, he rounded that corner over there. I saw him round that corner.
Oh,
I just saw a black body through the brush around the corner. I said, he's coming. He's been coming for a long time. He's been coming a long time. He walked a mile to die.
Finally got that inch spur.
Yeah. I saw his head. I'm like, he ain't no young tooth.
Well, if he had to go through some stuff because that beard looked pencil.
I couldn't see the beard at all. I saw his head, and I saw the head's nice and mature, so it's up to you.
Yeah, all I saw was like a pencil beard.
He probably would have been a good strutter if we'd had a better setup.
Yeah, look.
Let's see. Oh yeah, yeah.
Pencil.
That's the more mature one we heard earlier, though. Look at the spurs.
Oh yeah.
Yep. We pulled him out of that flock.
Finally got that 1 inch.
Yeah, that's a sweet bird.
Oh,
good job.
That's a hook.
I'd say he's just about a full Rio too. I mean, he's nice, chocolatey looking. Yeah, look at the. That's crazy. The crazy beard.
Well, and that's what I said. As soon as
a nice 1 inch spurs.
I obviously couldn't see the fan.
Yeah.
No voice.
Go and drag him up to the decoys.
All I saw was that beard. That, like, once again, it actually looked, because it was cut off a little bit.
Yep.
So it looked like real pencil and short. So I was like, oh.
I got on him I had his head completely when you pulled the trigger. So, I mean, I zoomed over to him. I saw him stepping up slowly. I heard him drum down here on the road for a second. Yeah. He just needed to round that corner a tiny bit more. Look at that big snoot, though. He's a beautiful bird.
I know.
He's a nice mature bird.
Nothing.
Well, he was kind of probably in charge a little bit once the hens left. Let's see that tail, since we never got to see that tail.
Yeah.
I think he's a fine tail. Oh yeah, look at that nice wide tail. Yeah, look at that tail. It's flat across the top.
Oh, we got a little bit of white in there, so.
He's a fine bird.
Oh yeah.
What a bird. He's gorgeous. That's a fine second tag. You got nothing to be complained about.
No, I know, I'm glad.
You're like, I shot a little guy. I'm like, I don't think so, man.
Well,
I saw that head come up in the air, and I'm like, he's a nice bird. Look at the head. Look at the neck on him. He's huge.
Like I said, though.
This got no beard.
This is what I saw, because the rest is covered up.
Oh.
So all I saw was that much, and I saw it was pencil thin. I'm like,
yeah.
And how he was standing, it just looked like.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, man. Yeah, he's got a good sized noggin on him.
Yeah. He's a fine bird. He was ready to get into it with somebody. So my original setup would have been the best one in the far back corner, because then he would have come right up, no problem. We never would have seen us at all.
Yeah, he pegged.
That tree, though, would have killed us. We were thinking about that tree in the background, but it goes downhill, so you can't even see over it. Nice. Gotta get some pictures. It wasn't the biggest video hunt, but it was a good hunt nonetheless.
Yeah.
We worked the birds early in the morning over on that ridge, and he came back looking for her later on.
He is kind of thick.
Yeah. More to come. We gotta take some photos now. All right, we took our pictures, and we're gonna get some stats here.
All right.
Let's take a peek. It is not a super long, not a super wide beard. It's kind of wide at the depth of it, but there's a fair amount of length on it.
Oh, that's 8.
You gotta stretch it out. Have the beard straight, not on the curve.
All right.
You gotta hold the beard nice and straight, and then see what length you get out of him.
Oh.
Yeah, I thought so.
Well, we are looking. Come on.
9.5.
Yep. Yeah. Almost 10.
Yeah, just below 10.
Yep. Which ain't bad.
Got an ant coming up into me. All right, I'll edit that. So we showed, what was it?
About 9.5.
About 9.5?
9.75, yeah.
Almost a 10-inch beard. Skinny, but good. And we already got a tag on.
You get that?
Yeah, we're dead on 1 inch there.
Not
Good
bad.
1 inch hook. And we got on that side, anything different?
Yeah, 1 inch.
1 inch. 1 inch on both. Very nice. Sweet bird. Let's see that tail again. Good and lay him right out nicely.
Oh, wish we could have seen that thing fanned out.
I know. His gorgeous tail. It would have been nice. He caught us too quick.
Yeah.
We knew we had lousy setup everywhere. Nothing good. Yeah. Doing the walk. The walk of fame. Kyle's got his 1 inch Spurs. He wasn't going to pull the trigger at first because we didn't have the show. But he knew when that head came up it was a nice mature bird. He's happy he pulled the trigger now.
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah, you think so? A little bit? No regrets with a big spur bird. Fun in the mountains of Idaho. Might just go down below. See if I can pull one out too. I still got a tag over here. Washington's gonna get crazy.
Yeah.
Amen?
Amen to that.
Amen. Amen. What a day. What a morning. What a morning. Just can't beat it.
Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun rises, when the sun